Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to share files with your friends or with your team. Mainly there are two methods which you can use to share your file. First one is you can click the file which you want to share, and here there is option share. This one you can click this icon to share your file. Okay, then this is the dialog box which you can see. You can add peoples to here. It means in this method the receiver must have a Google account to open your file. Here I will add some Google accounts here. Okay, I'm going to share my file with these two people, and you can put a small message here. Okay, and here you can select the files control type to your receiver. The receiver may be a viewer, commentator or editor. Here I select them as editors. Okay, now we can send the link to the people which we have selected. You have to keep this one in your mind. To share this type, the receivers must have Google accounts, and I will teach you the second method. To share by this second method, the receiver does not need a Google account. Whether the receiver have a Google account or haven't a Google account, he can open and edit or view or comment the file. I will teach you how to share it for the persons which they have Google accounts or not. The second method also start just same as the method 1. Plus you have to click the file which you want to share and then click here. Here you have to select this one, the restricted version to the anyone with the link version. Okay, then you can change the controllable method which the receiver have. Maybe a viewer, commenter or editor. Here I select as editor, and I have to copy the link, and I can send the link by using a email or any other sharing method. Here I send an email. Here sending emails. And I put the message and paste the link which we have copied there. Here paste. This is the link, and I send it. Now here I open the file which I have shared. When the other person is updating data, these data are automatically updated here. You can see that the selecting shell from the other person also showing here. When you select the cell which is controlled by the other person, you can see the name of the person which the file is being used. This is the power of the Google Drive tools. Here you can see that there are two other persons using these file other than you. Okay, these are the details of them. And this one, when you click the cells which they are using, you can understand and you can identify who are using these files. Okay, here this person and here this person. Okay, I think you now understand the power of this tool. Like that you can work Excel sheet or document or as a team by using this sharing method in Google Drive. Okay, I think now it's enough to know about sharing, and now you know many things on Google Drive. How to create a file, manage file, and how to share your files, how to upload files into Google Drive, like that. And I think now your knowledge on Google Drive is very good. Keep these things practice with you, and it may help to improve your knowledge and practice in Google Drive. Thank you, and we will meet again in my next video.